In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the Sam's Club benefit card. To get started, make sure you have your Sam's Club benefit card with you and take a moment to review any instructions that came with it. This is important because some cards may include specific activation details, eligibility notes, or usage limitations that you'll want to understand before you begin. Next, head to the Sam's Club website or open the Sam's Club app on your device. Either option works, so you can choose whichever is more convenient for you. Once you're there, sign into your Sam's Club account. If you don't already have an account, go ahead and create one, then link your membership if needed. Having your account properly set up is essential since your benefit card may need to be connected to it before you can use it. After signing in, navigate to your account area or look for the payment methods section. The exact location can vary depending on the type of benefit card you received, so just follow the most relevant option available on your screen. Once you find the right section, begin the process to add or register your benefit card by entering the required card details. Be careful while typing so everything matches the card information exactly. At this stage, you may be asked to verify your information. For example, the system might request identifying details such as your contact or account information to confirm that the card is being registered correctly. If that happens, simply follow the prompts and complete the verification process. Before finishing, take a minute to review the card's terms and eligible benefits. This is a helpful step because it can clarify what the card can be used for, whether there are spending restrictions, and if there is an expiration date. Understanding these details now can help you avoid confusion later when you're ready to make a purchase. If activation is required, follow the on-screen instructions or any directions included with the card to activate it. Some cards are ready after registration, while others need this extra step, so be sure not to skip it if prompted. Once everything is complete, save your changes and wait for a confirmation message showing that your benefit card is ready to use. That confirmation lets you know the setup was successful. After that, you can use your benefit card during checkout online, in the Sam's Club app, or at participating Sam's Club locations, depending on the card's terms and eligibility.